Indonesia, as a tropical country, boasts a rich variety of exotic, distinctive, and highly nutritious fruits. Some of the most popular and internationally renowned include Durian, Mangosteen, Rambutan, snake fruit, and Matoa. In addition, there are unique and rare fruits such as red fruit, Kecapi, Bisbul, and pondoh. Popular and featured fruits. Durian, known for its strong aroma with many local varieties. Mangosteen, nicknamed the Queen of Fruits, it is rich in antioxidants. Salak pondoh and Salak gula pasir Bali are very popular. Rambutan, a sweet hairy fruit. Matoa, a typical Papuan fruit with a blend of rambutan, longan, and durian flavors. Langsat/Duku, a small, sweet fruit found commonly in Sumatra and Java.